Rice is a staple food for billions of people worldwide, providing a significant source of carbohydrates and energy in their diets. There's been a growing interest in the nutritional differences between brown and white rice in recent years. This comparison is crucial for individuals looking to make informed choices about their diet and overall health. Rice is a versatile grain that comes in various forms, with brown rice and white rice being the most consumed types. The main difference lies in their processing methods. Brown rice is the whole grain form of rice, where only the outermost layer, the hull, is removed. This minimal processing helps retain the nutritious bran and germ layers, making brown rice more nutrient-dense than white rice. On the other hand, white rice undergoes further processing, where the bran and germ layers are removed, stripping away essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Regarding nutritional content, brown rice emerges as the clear winner. It is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, brown rice contains higher levels of essential nutrients like magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamin B, which are crucial in overall health and well-being. These nutrients are often lost during the refining process of white rice, making it a less nutritious option. Consuming brown rice over white rice has several key health benefits. Brown rice's high fiber content can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Brown rice's antioxidants also offer protection against oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to a lower risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. Incorporating brown rice into your diet can be a simple, yet effective way to enhance your nutritional intake and support your overall health and well-being. Let's delve deeper into the key aspects of fiber content, vitamins, and minerals, as well as how the processing of white rice affects its nutritional value compared to brown rice. Fiber is essential for digestive health, satiety, and blood sugar regulation. Brown rice is a superior source of fiber compared to white rice, as it retains the bran and germ layers that are rich in this nutrient. On the other hand, white rice, which undergoes extensive processing, loses a significant amount of fiber, making it a less nutritious option for promoting digestive health and overall well-being. Regarding vitamins and minerals, brown rice outshines white rice in several vital nutrients. Brown rice is a good source of magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, including niacin and thiamine, essential for energy production and overall health. These nutrients are primarily stripped away during the refining process of white rice, leaving it with lower levels of important vitamins and minerals. The processing of white rice significantly impacts its nutritional value compared to brown rice. The removal of the bran and germ layers during processing results in a loss of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making white rice a less nutrient-dense option. This processing also leads to a higher glycemic index in white rice, causing a quicker spike in blood sugar levels compared to brown rice's slower, more sustained release of energy. Overall, the nutritional differences between brown rice and white rice can profoundly impact overall health and well-being. Choosing brown rice as a staple in your diet can help promote digestive health, provide essential nutrients, and support long-term well-being, making it a superior choice over white rice in terms of nutritional content and health benefits. Health benefits of brown rice. Brown rice is not just a delicious and versatile grain, it also offers many health benefits that can positively impact your overall well-being. Let's explore the advantages of consuming brown rice and how it can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. One of brown rice's key health benefits is its ability to promote digestive health and regulate blood sugar levels. The high fiber content aids digestion by supporting regular bowel movements and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Additionally, the complex carbohydrates in brown rice are digested more slowly than those in white rice, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream and helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their weight effectively. Antioxidants and phytonutrients found in brown rice support overall health and well-being. These compounds help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. Antioxidants such as ferulic acid and gamma-oryzanol in brown rice have been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. By incorporating brown rice into your diet, you can harness the powerful antioxidant properties of these compounds to enhance your health. Numerous studies and research support the health benefits of brown rice. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming whole grains like brown rice reduced the risk of heart disease and stroke. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that a diet rich in whole grains, including brown rice, was linked to a lower incidence of type 2 diabetes. These findings underscore the importance of including brown rice in your diet to reap its many health benefits and support overall well-being. Concerns with white rice consumption. While white rice is a popular and convenient staple in many diets, individuals should be aware of potential concerns associated with its consumption. Understanding these issues can help you make informed choices about your diet and overall health. Let's delve into the critical problems related to the consumption of white rice and how you can mitigate their adverse effects. One of the primary concerns with white rice consumption is its high glycemic index, which can significantly impact blood sugar levels. Foods with a high glycemic index are quickly digested and absorbed, leading to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels followed by a sharp drop. This can contribute to fluctuations in energy levels and hunger cravings, and potentially increase the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Regularly consuming white rice, especially in copious quantities or without balancing it with other nutrients, can exacerbate these effects. Another concern with white rice is its lack of fiber and essential nutrients compared to brown rice. The refining process that white rice undergoes strips away the bran and germ layers, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. As a result, white rice lacks the nutritional benefits that brown rice offers, such as improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and overall health support. The absence of fiber in white rice can also impact gut health and increase the risk of digestive issues over time. You can implement several strategies to mitigate the adverse effects of white rice consumption. One approach is to opt for whole grain alternatives like brown rice, quinoa, or barley, which offer higher fiber content and more nutrients. Additionally, you can pair white rice with protein-rich foods, healthy fats, and vegetables to slow down the absorption of carbohydrates and minimize blood sugar spikes. Portion control and mindful eating practices can also help regulate your intake of white rice and prevent overconsumption. By being aware of these concerns and making conscious choices, you can enjoy white rice in moderation while prioritizing your health and well-being. Cooking and preparation tips. Cooking and preparing brown rice to retain its nutritional value is critical to maximizing its health benefits and enjoying its delicious flavor and texture. Here are some practical tips to help you make the most of brown rice in your meals and incorporate it into a balanced diet. To retain the nutritional value of brown rice, consider using different cooking methods that preserve its natural goodness. One popular method is the absorption method, where you cook brown rice in a specific ratio of water to rice until all the liquid is absorbed. This helps retain the nutrients in the rice while ensuring a fluffy and flavorful result. Another option is to use a rice cooker, which can simplify the cooking process and produce perfectly cooked brown rice every time. Additionally, you can try cooking brown rice in broth or adding herbs and spices for extra flavor without compromising its nutritional content. Incorporating brown rice into a balanced diet can be both delicious and nutritious. To create satisfying and wholesome meals, you can use brown rice as a base for grain bowls, salads, stir-fries, and pilafs. Brown rice can also be used in soups, casseroles, and stuffed vegetable dishes to add a hearty and nutritious element to your cooking. By pairing brown rice with lean proteins, colorful vegetables, and healthy fats, you can create well-rounded and nourishing meals that support your overall health and well-being. For those looking for inspiration, here are some recipes and meal ideas featuring brown rice as a nutritious staple. Brown rice Buddha bowl with roasted vegetables and tahini dressing. Teriyaki chicken stir-fry with brown rice and broccoli. Stuffed bell peppers with ground turkey. Brown rice and tomato sauce. 4. Brown rice and black bean burrito bowl with avocado and salsa. By incorporating these cooking and preparation tips and creative meal ideas, you can make brown rice a versatile and nutritious addition to your diet while enjoying its many health benefits. When brown rice is compared to white rice, brown rice emerges as the superior choice in terms of nutritional content and health benefits. Its minimal processing helps retain the nutritious bran and germ layers, making it a nutrient-dense option compared to white rice. In contrast, due to extensive processing, white rice lacks fiber and essential nutrients, leading to potential concerns such as high glycemic index and nutrient deficiencies. Choosing brown rice as a staple in your diet can positively impact your health by supporting digestion, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and providing sustained energy. By being mindful of the nutritional differences between brown and white rice, individuals can make informed decisions about prioritizing their well-being and long-term health goals. We encourage viewers to explore more nutrition-related content on our channel or website. To learn about other healthy food choices, cooking tips, and meal ideas that can help them optimize their diet and lifestyle. Making small changes, such as incorporating brown rice into their meals, can have a significant impact on their overall health and well-being. Remember, every choice you make about your diet matters, so choose wisely and nourish your body with the best options for a healthier and happier life.